gonna cook some amazing chicken flavored noodles tonight. It's gonna be great. Tonight we're gonna be cooking Maggi noodles. I know, right? They're so good for you and full of nutrients, especially the chicken flavor ones. I've emptied the contents of the packet into that pan and pot. And now I'm emptying the contents of a bottle into this glass. Well, it looks like I've got a steaming hot cup of water here. 1.5 cups in fact, and it's going straight into that pot. Be careful lighting it. It's gonna be hot, guys. So hot. While the water's boiling, you can take a little drink. Be fooled, guys. Maggi noodles are full of amazing ingredients like 508 and 451. Well, it looks like it's boiling a treat. Time to put the sachet in. This is the best bit. When you put it all in. And it smells amazing. Like something my grandma would never have made, but she would have enjoyed it. Wow, it looks amazing. Wow, guys, it looks amazing. Move over, George Columbaris. We can all be chefs tonight. You know what I mean? It just takes a little packet and a bit of water.